Hello, and welcome back to my Slow English podcast. Tomorrow is my sister's birthday, so I wanted to take a moment to really appreciate her. My sister is my best friend. She is a very special person. She is the most giving and generous person that I know. Even if sometimes she's a little bit too generous. Very different from me, because I can be very rude or impatient, but she never hesitates to be kind or patient. Whether that's at a restaurant or in a store, she's always kind. I swear, everyone just seems to be drawn to her. Everyone always stops to listen to what she has to say, even if she's a little bit shy or quiet. Everyone wants to hear what she has to say. She just has this energy that makes anyone around feel warm and at home. She's just someone you want to tell your problems to. She is a beautiful person inside and out. And I think she would feel very special if you wished her a happy birthday. I'll leave her username in my description. And this is also a reminder to you to appreciate your siblings every day. They are your default besties. What's your favorite part of having a sibling? Hello, and welcome back to my Slow English podcast. Let me tell you something. How often do you speak English out loud? Not listen to it, not read it, but speak it. Because the more you speak in English, the more fluent you will become. That's why I love Lingo Panda. It helps you make speaking English a daily habit. You can have short conversations with AI English teachers, or talk to the AI chat box.
So tell me, do you like coffee?
Coffee is one of my favorite beverages.
Coffee is one of my favorite beverages.
Great! What kind of coffee do you prefer?
At any time of the day, morning, night, or even just in bed. If you want to feel more confident and speak more fluently, then click the link in my bio and start using Lingo Panda today. Hello, and welcome back to my Slow English podcast. Today, I want to talk about flowers. I love picking flowers. I love looking at them and stopping in the street to really admire the flowers. Sometimes I stop and take a photo, and sometimes I just stop and smile. My favorite flowers are daisies because they are simple and kind. I also love sunflowers because they are big and full of energy. And when I see a sunflower, I just feel happy. I keep flowers in my home, on the kitchen table, in a vase, maybe in a book so that they can stay there forever. I also love giving flowers to the people that I care about. It's a small gesture, but it means a lot. In the spring, everything is full of flowers. The gardens, the trees, everything looks alive. It's my favorite part of the year. And you? Do you like flowers? What's your favorite flower? Hello, and welcome back to my Slow English podcast. Here's what nobody tells you about learning English. You can know all of the words and the grammar, but if your pronunciation is incorrect, people can still ask, "Wait, what did you say? Huh? What was that?" That used to happen to me all the time. It's frustrating because you do know all of the words, but you just can't seem to pronounce them correctly. But then I found Bold Voice. It's an amazing app project that helps with your pronunciation and speaking skills. Project. It gives you instant feedback on any word that you say, so you actually sound fluent, not just textbook fluent. You also get videos from expert coaches who teach you how to move your tongue and pronounce each word correctly. Now, when I speak, people can understand me the first time. Bold Voice is a game changer. Try Bold Voice and speak like the confident English speaker that you are. Hello, and welcome back to my Slow English podcast. Learning English can feel overwhelming, but this app Planjoy made it so much easier for me. You can achieve a vocabulary of 5,000 English words in just 30 days, or adjust it to however much time you need. Planjoy's AI assistant can design a 30-day English learning plan tailored to your needs. Whether it's studying for a test or setting a personal goal, Planjoy uses a 4-square planner that splits and divides my time with whatever is most urgent or important. It makes my life more organized. It also breaks things into small tasks, very doable tasks, like practice English for 10 minutes or watch a video in English. When I click Fun Focus, it gives me a timer to help me concentrate. It's actually helped me to stay off of social media. And if you're trying to learn English or anything and you want something simple but encouraging, then Planjoy is for you. I pinned the name in the comments. And remember, keep practicing. That's how you grow. Hello, and welcome back to my Slow English podcast. I'm so excited to show you something that's going to level up your English. Istoria is collaborating with Oxford University to help you learn English naturally with real, engaging stories, so you can boost your vocabulary, improve your listening, and feel more confident when speaking. No more boring textbooks. With Istoria, you get fun stories at your level, and you can see your progress every day. And there is a new feature, Discuss with Astro, an AI character who you can discuss with to improve your writing. Ready to make English learning exciting? Click the link in my bio to start reading your first story with Istoria today. Let's do this together. Hello, and welcome back to my Slow English podcast. Today, I want to talk about mosquitoes. Mosquitoes absolutely love me. I am staying in a cabin that's surrounded by trees. Trees of every kind. Papaya, mango, starfruit, even pineapple trees. And it's wonderful. It's a dream for me to live in a place like this. But there is a crazy amount of mosquitoes here. They're everywhere. I've never had so many mosquito bites on my body in my entire life. Bites all over my legs, arms, back, even sometimes on my face. And I'm constantly using one of these to try and kill all the mosquitoes. But I'm just itchy everywhere. And ever since I was a little girl, I've always had so many mosquito bites. Mosquitoes just love my blood for some reason. I've always had more mosquito bites than my sister, my mom, my friends, my family. I don't know why. My mom thinks it has something to do with how much sweet food I eat, but I'm not sure. What do you think is the reason? Do you get lots of mosquito bites or not so many?